for those that don't understand what orange peel is, it's basically if you ever look at the skin of an orange, it's got the dimples.
Yeah.
And it's still orange, but you can
Yeah.
clearly see the dimples in it.
Yeah.
And when generally back in the day, from what I recall, through school and everything, whenever you paint anything, you run the risk of getting that orange peel, and you see less and less of it. I haven't seen any from your shop, which is why, again, I refer my clients to you, because you're fair, you're honest, and you do a good job.
Yeah.
Right. And I haven't had any complaints. So
That's good.
well, that is important.
Yeah.
So with that's amazing technology, and that makes a lot of sense, but that comes at a cost.
That's right. Yes. I mean, it comes at a cost when you're using like a good paint system. It definitely comes at a cost, and it adds to the cost of the estimate. But you're getting the best paint, the best clear coat, and you're getting a lifetime guarantee on the life of the car, right? So.
And I'm sure there's added expenses. I mean, we have environmental fees and everything here at the
Correct.
shop, and I'm sure you have my sister used to run a furniture refinishing business in Burlington, and she had her spray booth and she had filters, and there were costs, and she had to have regular yearly inspections from the fire department and fire suppressant stuff installed and filters. And I'm sure that's a regular monthly or quarterly cost of having to change these filters and everything?
Yes, you got to change the filters. You got to change the paint booth decussant so there's no water in the airlines.
Right.
So yeah, there's a lot of costs involved to make your car come out perfect.
Right. Now, in our industry, and basically, I can refer for layman's terms, like I'm a general practitioner, and you're an orthopedic surgeon.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Like,
Yeah.
like the two industries are that far apart.
Yeah.
And people think, well, it's a car, and it's, the auto body guys must know mechanical, and
Yeah.
mechanical guys must know auto body. And then nothing could be farther from the truth. In most cases, I mean, I'm sure there's some individuals out there that are just geniuses and can do both, and hats off to them. But for the most part, when you go to a mechanic, you're going for general mechanical repairs, electrical repairs, diagnostic, tires, brakes, suspension, driveline.
Yeah.
Whereas anything body related, paint related, you're going to an auto body. Now, I learned something after getting our ADAS equipment. There's a difference between collision repair and auto body. Are you able to explain a little bit about that, what the difference is?
Yeah, you're right, Mike. Like collision repair is basically like your vehicle is involved in an accident, like whether it got T-boned or you rear-ended someone, and
Structural damage.
structural damage, electrical damage, and so on. Auto body repair would be more like dents, scratches, and so on. But yeah, like that's
Is there different licenses for that?
no, but you'd have your 310
S?
S, yeah, for
Okay.
the auto body license. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So if a vehicle comes in, I assume you do insurance claims and repairs?
Yes.
So you have like, am I using the term right? I'm showing my ignorance here. Like a puller to pull the body?
Oh
if
yeah.
it's- if
Yes. We have dent pullers for aluminum, metal. We also have plastic welders to weld bumpers. So we got all the tools in place to get the car back to the OEM standards.
So you have a guy there that has a 310S that can pull it straight. Like let's say it's a full frame vehicle, like a pickup truck.
Yeah.